Welcome to the Stoic Golden Tribe, where enduring wisdom meets the strength of presence, and where we uncover the truths modern society refuses to teach men. Today we're exploring a subject that few will dare to explain honestly: how to make a woman worry about you. This isn't about playing childish games or toxic manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology, emotional intelligence, and masculine presence so deeply that you no longer have to chase her. She worries about losing you. We'll dive into proven principles, historical lessons, and timeless relationship strategies that make you unforgettable in her mind. If you're ready to become the man who commands respect, curiosity, and devotion without begging for it, this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement helps us spread this empowering knowledge to men everywhere. Now let's get started. Chapter 1. The Power of Emotional Distance. Becoming the Man. She can't predict. One of the most underestimated forces in any relationship is mystery. In today's world of instant gratification and constant access, the rare man who cultivates emotional control and distance becomes irresistible and unforgettable. This isn't about being cold. It's about understanding the psychology of emotional contrast. When you give a woman everything too soon, your time, attention, emotional vulnerability, she doesn't value it. Why? Because there's no challenge, no sense of anticipation, no reason to fear losing you. A woman only begins to worry about a man when she senses something deeper in him, something she can't fully reach, something he doesn't hand over freely. That's emotional self-possession. Let's go back in history. The Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius ruled the greatest empire of his time, yet he remained remarkably detached from pleasures, praises, and even personal relationships. In his meditations, he writes, "Be like the cliff against which the waves continually break, but it stands firm and tames the fury of the water around it." This wasn't coldness, it was presence without attachment. It was power without neediness. He loved his wife, Faustina, deeply, but he never allowed emotion to override his principles or pull him away from his inner center. That's what makes a man worry-worthy, a man who can love a woman without needing her, a man who can walk away. This psychological principle is called intermittent reinforcement, a concept rooted in behavioral psychology. It's what makes gambling so addictive and unpredictable relationships so intense. Give her your full presence and warmth for a moment, a shared gaze, a sincere compliment, an unexpected touch, then disappear. Pull back, let the silence speak, let her imagination do the chasing, because when you are always available, you are never valuable. This doesn't mean you play games, it means you have a life so full, with purpose, discipline, and boundaries, that she has to find a place in it. Don't over-explain yourself. Emotionally intelligent. Men understand, when a woman asks why you're distant, you don't offer a full emotional essay. You simply smile and say, "I've just had a lot on my mind." Let her wonder, let her lean in, let her ask the questions. Most men fear this silence, so they over-communicate, over-express, over-apologize. But mystery is oxygen to attraction. Your stoic calm, your refusal to overreact, creates emotional gravity, and gravity pulls her in. Making a woman worry about you doesn't mean hurting her. It means being so grounded, so in command of your own path, that she feels the absence of your attention when it's not there. You're not trying to win her affection. You're making her realize that losing yours would cost her something rare. Just like ancient kings didn't chase their queens, they built empires and watched as the queens came to them. You must become the man with an empire of discipline, peace, and purpose. Let her feel the silence. Let her feel the distance. And then, watch what she does. Drop a comment below with, "I am the prize." Chapter 2. The Art of Unpredictability. How to make her obsess over you. If there is one thing that can keep a woman thinking about you when you're not around, it is unpredictability. Predictable men are safe. They are easy to read. They become boring. Unpredictable men are thrilling. They ignite imagination. They create emotional tension that she can't quite resolve. Many men misunderstand this and think being unpredictable means being disrespectful or erratic. That's not it. True unpredictability is subtle, deliberate, and built on emotional intelligence. It's not about chaos, it's about contrast. Look at Napoleon Bonaparte and his wife Josephine. Napoleon adored her, writing passionate letters that still survive today. Yet he also made himself scarce. He was often away on campaigns building his empire. Josephine at times felt neglected, even jealous. But this kept her in a state of emotional engagement. She worried about him, dreamed about him, and clung to him when he returned. Napoleon knew that his purpose came first, and that made him more desirable. Modern men can learn from this. Don't abandon your mission for her. Make her feel your absence. Make her wonder what you're thinking. Emotional intensity in relationships works best with contrast. Some days you are fully present, listening, teasing, sharing eye contact that makes her melt. Other days you're focused elsewhere. Your work, your training, your reading, your silence. This variation is what keeps her guessing. She'll ask herself, why is he so quiet today? Is he losing interest? Is he seeing someone else? These thoughts keep you alive in her mind. It's not manipulation, it's the psychology of value. A man who can choose when to give and when to hold back is a man who is in control. Most men ruin their aura of mystery by filling the silence with words. Learn to be comfortable with pauses. Don't rush to reassure her when she seems uneasy. Let the tension build. This is how you project unshakable calm. When she says, "You're quiet today," just nod. Smile slightly. Let her imagination work. She will worry about losing your attention if she cannot predict how you'll react every time. Why men must embrace uncertainty. Women don't want men who are cruel. They want men who are deep, who have layers, who aren't easy to read. The man who shows all his cards loses the game before it begins. It's like reading a novel where you already know the ending. There's no suspense, no craving to turn the next page. When you become unpredictable in your attention and your time, while remaining consistent in your values, you create an emotional hook. She begins to worry about you in the best way possible. She worries about losing you because you're not the man who chases. You're the man who chooses. Drop a comment below with, "I am unpredictable." Chapter T3. Commanding respect without words, the silent power of presence. If you want a woman to worry about losing you, you must first make her respect you. Respect is the foundation of lasting attraction. Without it, love turns to contempt, interest turns to boredom, and curiosity dies. But respect isn't earned by force. It isn't demanded, it's commanded, silently, through presence, boundaries, and unwavering self-respect. Consider the samurai of feudal Japan. These warriors were trained not just in combat, but in discipline, meditation, and the art of zanshin, a state of calm awareness. They could stand perfectly still, eyes steady, body relaxed, yet alert. In this silence, there was power. Opponents felt it, allies respected it. In relationships, this stillness translates to emotional control, the ability to listen without reacting, to observe without rushing to fix or explain. Women are acutely aware of men's emotional states. A man who can stay calm when she tests him triggers something ancient in her biology. This man can protect me. He is not easily rattled. He is strong. And with strength comes worry. Worry that he might leave. Worry that another woman might notice. Worry that she is not living up to his standard. Boundaries without drama. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to earn respect is to enforce your boundaries without emotional outbursts. If she's disrespectful, pause, look at her, say calmly, "I don't accept that." If she tries to guilt trip you, listen, then say, "That's not going to work on me." If she crosses a line repeatedly, step back. Reduce your time and energy. Most men get loud, angry, or defensive. That reveals weakness. The man she worries about losing is the man who walks away quietly when his line is crossed. Reactivity is the death of masculine presence. When you respond emotionally to her tests or provocations, you show that she controls you. She might not even do it consciously, but women test men all the time to see where they stand. She criticizes your plan. She teases you harshly. She becomes distant. Most men plead or explode, but you, if you want her to worry about you, simply nod, smile, or say nothing at all. Your silence says, "I won't play your game. I know my worth. You can't shake me." That silence will echo in her mind long after the conversation ends. Be the calm in the storm. Women are emotional creatures. Beautifully so. They feel deeply. They crave drama, excitement, and emotional variation. But they don't want a man who adds to their chaos. They want the man who calms it, who remains steady while she rages, cries, or tests. This is the man she'll worry about losing, the man she'll respect enough to follow, because he is rare. In a world of impulsive, emotional, over-explaining men, be the one who holds his ground in silence. That silence is loud, it's powerful, it's unforgettable. Drop a comment below with "I am calm." Chapter 4. Building a Life. She fears losing. Purpose as the ultimate attraction. If you want to make a woman truly worry about you, there is one thing you must understand above all else. Your mission comes first. Women don't obsess over men who make them the center of their world. They obsess over men whose world is so compelling, so rich in purpose, that they fear being left out of it. This is not cruelty, it's leadership. A man with purpose creates gravity, and gravity pulls everything, including her, toward him. Consider Alexander the Great. At just 20 years old, he became king. By 30, he'd conquered most of the known world. When he met Roxana in Bactria, he fell for her deeply. Yet he never abandoned his campaign, his dream, his destiny. He loved her enough to marry her, but he kept moving. She had to follow him. Alexander didn't pause his empire building for her affection. And that very dedication to his mission made her, and countless others, devoted to him. Build a life that doesn't need her. This is where most men fail. They think, if I give her everything, she'll stay. But she only worries about losing you when she knows you don't need her to be happy, fulfilled, or successful. Have goals that excite you more than her attention. Build habits that improve you daily. Make time for friends, training, learning, business. Your life should be so rich that her role is to complement it, not complete it. When you make her your entire purpose, she loses respect, and with it, the fear of losing you. Lead without force. Purposeful, men don't drag women along. They invite them. This is where I'm going. You're welcome to join me. You don't control her decisions. You don't beg her to stay. You simply move forward. If she resists, you keep moving. That calm certainty, your refusal to negotiate your purpose, creates the ultimate worry in her mind. If I don't keep up, he'll leave me behind. Be the mountain. A man with purpose is like a mountain. He doesn't move for anyone. She can climb it. She can admire it, but she can't change it. This is the man she'll worry about losing forever, because mountains don't chase, they endure. This is the truth modern society hides from men. They tell you to be soft, to sacrifice your mission for love, to bend and break for her approval. But history's greatest men kept their mission first, and the women in their lives loved them more for it, even if they worried constantly about losing them. You don't have to be cruel. You don't have to be cold, but you must be uncompromising about your purpose. When she knows she can't replace that purpose, she will fear losing you and work to keep her place beside you. Drop a comment below with "I am the mountain." And there you have it, brothers. If you truly want to make a woman worry about losing you, don't chase her. Build yourself. Master your emotions. Lead with purpose. Be the man she can't predict. Be the man she respects. Be the man whose absence speaks louder than words. This is the path of the Stoic Golden Tribe, a path of strength, wisdom, and unshakable presence. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the truths modern society refuses to teach men, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts. We read everyone. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay purposeful, and remember, you are the prize.